Hey, in this video I'm going to teach you how to upload to Design by Humans. So you're going to go to designbyhumans.com, and this is a great place if you are looking to upload your t-shirt designs or phone case designs on a print-on-demand platform. So first you're going to have to make an account, but once you do, you're going to go to this right top corner icon right here. You're going to press it. Once you press it, you're going to press Add Product. You're going to press Add a Product to my store. You're going to press Continue. Once you're here, you're going to go to Add Apparel. You're going to go to this plus sign right here. You're going to press on it. And then from this part, you're going to upload your image. So you're going to press Choose File. So you can see my image has been uploaded. So I'm just going to check it out and see the alignment. I want to resize it. So I'm going to drag this right bottom corner and just resize it a bit. And I'm going to use these buttons right here to center it. So I'm going to press this center button. Okay, so I think that looks centered to me. And then now I'm going to add some colors. So I'm going to press this Add Colors button. So here you can see there's 16 colors remaining, meaning I can choose up to 16 options. What I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the colors that I want. I'm going to choose black. I'm going to choose charcoal. I'm going to choose military green. I'm going to choose white. I'm going to choose charcoal heather, mocha heather, and so on. So yeah, you can choose multiple colors, and then these are the colors that I want, so I'm just going to leave it there. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom, and you can see that there are more options I can do. So for this one, I'm going to choose white, I'm going to choose athletic heather, and I'm going to choose navy. And you know that you selected it because there's this black outline that is being shown here, so that means it's been selected as a color. And of course you just want to make sure the alignment's correct, so this looks fine to me. And you're going to scroll to the bottom and check each one. Okay, so we're finally at the bottom, and now that I've checked everything out, I make sure that I wanted to select the products that I wanted to choose, so which is this green button right here. That means it's on. If I don't want it, then I can turn it off. So this shows that this product has been disabled, but I'm going to turn it back on. And I've chosen all the colors that I wanted. So after that, I'm going to press continue. So once you added the apparel, you're going to go to add phone cases, and you're going to add your design to your phone cases. So here you're going to use the existing image, so you're going to press use this image. And this is the same process. You're just going to adjust your design and resize them. Okay, so once I resize them, I also want to choose the correct colors. So I just want to choose the ones I want. So you can choose this on the left side. Once you're finished, you're going to press continue. Okay, so we're going to go to the third one, which is add art prints. You're going to press use this image. Same thing, you're going to check them out, see if they need resizing. So I'm going to center this. Everything looks great. I want to make sure I have all the colors. For this part, since you already chose the colors for the phone cases, they already pre-selected the colors for you. I want to keep all these colors, so I'm going to press continue. Okay, so for the next one, you're going to go to add stickers. You're going to press use this image again. If you do not want to use this image and you will have a variation of the image, you can press choose new file as well. But for this example, I'm going to choose use this image. So here's a view of the sticker. I like how it looks, so I'm going to press continue. Okay, so we're going to go to mugs now, add mugs. Same process again, we're going to press use this image. I'm going to make sure that I'm going to resize them correctly, so okay, I think that looks good. I'm going to make sure the colors are added by pressing add colors. And I'm going to press the ones that I want to press. Okay, so once I added the colors, I'm going to press continue. Okay, let's go to add mouse pads. Same process, use this image. I'm going to make sure the sizing is correct. I'm going to press add colors. Once you're done, you're going to press continue. Alright, so once you're finished, everything on the left side, you're going to see this green check mark right here. Once you're done, you're going to press I'm done adding products, start adding details. For this section, all I'm going to do is put the title of my design, so I'm going to put the title. After that, you're going to put the description. After that, you're going to put in the tags. Once you finish the tags, you're going to press add category, and you're going to choose the one that fits the best. Once you're done, you're going to press I accept the legal terms and conditions. After that, you're going to press I'm not a robot. After that, you're going to press save product. Once you're done, your product is live on Design by Humans.